Yo, what is going on, you guys? We're here back for the part three already. If you're clicking on this video in the first place, I really appreciate it more than you know. Thank you guys so much for the support I have been getting. It's been awesome. Really been working on other stuff, and I really kind of want to get this done with. Start getting that other content out to you guys. Get this stuff going. So hope you guys enjoy. I'm putting a lot of effort into this, so get straight into the video. Let's go get to work. All right, last night was a debacle with the videos. I unplugged the GoPro without safely removing it. Honestly, it was not fun yesterday. I thought I lost a ton of film. Everything was just giving me problems yesterday, man.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Throw some down flat, and then I'll put some more up top, and then I'll put a strap over that.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence.
The boss man. Hey, buenos dias.
Hey, can you make sure you out your garbage too?
I did, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's all on the other side.
That was fucking nasty.
Yeah.
It's doing like 5 or 6.
Just to put a strap on it.
Hey pal, you just blowing from Stupid Town?
All right, so we're leaving the yard now, all loaded up. We'll see y'all at the gas station, baby. Let's go. Trash. Gonna have to take these gloves off before I know it, or else I'm gonna get a horrible tan. Well, having some real good progress on our day 3 here. Gonna go back. We got hand picking in the morning, hand picking, hand digging. The holy grail. AM PM. Cool. Yeah.
Trying to buy the pack of cigarettes?
Yeah,
how much is it?
I have it. It's,
I know, but I'm in a hurry, so I'll get it.
oh, you're sure?
Yeah, just put those over here for now. Go ahead, dude.
No, okay. Awesome, thank you. Yeah, so that guy was definitely in a hurry. I can't believe he just did that and I got that on camera. Bro just freaking, he was just like, I guess she was trying to buy a pack of cigarettes or something, but she was like, couldn't, I don't know, maybe she didn't have enough in her account or something like that, and she was like trying to switch some money over. I was like, what, you doing a bank transaction in the gas station line? Like, what are we doing, man? But I wasn't gonna say nothing. Hey, I'm just not gonna rush people like that. It's just not my character, I guess. I would have sat there probably for another 5 minutes, and then maybe would I have been like, hey, can I help you guys out in any way? Not like, hey, what do you got buying? I'm in a hurry. Man, I was gonna make some time, but I guess not. Well, y'all already know, hour and a half of driving. See y'all at the job site. Got the hazy, got that purple haze. Hey, here's to a good day. Another day the Lord has blessed us with. Jesus, help me be a better man today. For me and for the people around me, Lord Jesus. In your name, amen. Well, this looks like a nice little spot. I think I'll get in here.
Nice.
We gotta make sure I don't wear these all day.
Sweaty hands.
Tan line.
Your glasses match your boots.
Oh damn, they do, bro.
What about the red, homie?
Yeah, for real, bro. He got that red on. You should have seen Daharo trying to cut that rope. You know what he did?
Wait, what? With his teeth?
He took a pickaxe and then put it on top of it, and then took another pickaxe and went ting, ting, ting. I got it all on film.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, it's the third day. How do you still not bring a knife? Okay, well, time to dig. Come on now, let's go.
You love whenever you go hunting.
Really, the poop?
Yeah. You gotta eat it though.
Ah. Looks like I'm not going hunting. La route. I'm gonna make my kid do this for 10 hours.
10 hours?
I'm gonna make him do this for 10 hours so he never gets a construction job. And I'm gonna keep reminding him, hey, you wanna do what you did that one day? You wanna do what you did that one day?
I guess you can listen.
Yeah.
It didn't fucking work.
Hey, this is Rebel 1 Hitman 1.
What's up?
Hey, you gonna fill in the trench or?
I'd rather you do the backfilling.
Okay, yeah, I'll do it.
Said you need to take Gambit 1 and Gambit 1 can go with
20. All right, so we're gonna resume this trench now.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
And that
We're gonna go to area 2.
Oh,
Above the dam.
what was that?
Yeah, I've worked around. It's not our guys.
Hey, this guy acts like I'm not an athlete. D1 right here. Don't listen to that guy. Don't listen to that guy. He doesn't know talent. The way to get up there?
They go out the normal way.
Yeah. But there's another way to get up there?
I don't even know. This is just like getting out to the main roads. This is another spot.
Okay,
so
yeah.
we can just take this way since we know it's good.
Yeah.
So officially they give it 1,000 feet. So whoever gets 1,000 feet gets it on the dot.
That's what I do. Huge dam. This guy's taking a piss right there. Look, hey, what are we doing, man? What are we doing? Man, you get a Class A and everywhere's your bathroom, huh? What, you gonna take a there too? Oh, we got a nice view up here. Oh, that's not bad. Not the dam really, but you can see the what's the upper part called? Just the lake? Yeah, the lake. I'll take a look at what we got going on here.
They had said that we could go in here. The water just
Keep the road open, line here, and then just follow the fiber rolls.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, they had said that we could.
So we're cutting this off?
I don't know why they don't.
I'm sure it'll change.
Kind of like a road. It's getting hot, huh? Like a road from the left side of the road.
Yeah. So we'll go walk it. So just for reference point, see this? This is the overhead power lines.
Okay, here we go. This contractor's actually really chill, which is nice to have. Some guys would make us refill that trench, but he said it's already in the fill zone, so we're good. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to put some T-post here. The ground's gonna be a little hard. So yeah, we'll disconnect, we'll take off the silt fence from the stakes, put the T-post in, because there's some hard ground. He's having trouble. We're not gonna be able to sledgehammer into it. And then once we put the T-post in, we'll wrap the silt fence with zip ties, a lot of zip ties, and have that going. Concentrate when he's got his ears in. He's probably listening to like Rihanna and stuff. He really loves Rihanna. I think he went to the two concerts last year. There's a corner. It's a corner.
I did it! Mwah!
Yeah, he's got that.
Huh?
Yeah, are they over here? Oh, he's driving on them?
For the deer.
Yeah.
See that?
We're at, oh, yep. Badass.
Look at that, that's a good one too.
Got a bear print there. Look, there's deer prints, and then just bear. He's following it. You can see all the prints. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing great.
Thank you. Thank you for asking.
You're doing a great job.
I need water.
Dude, those are fire. Yeah, it's badass too to see the deer prints right in front of it. It's like, yeah, that bear knows where he's going. He probably got it too. This guy's like a crime investigator.
Yeah.
So you just analyzed the whole crime scene?
Yeah, we just...
Look, who dug this?
I was literally...
Small.
Yeah, that's horrible. It's crazy he's not making us fill it back in.
No, the problem is the contractor's like, oh, maybe I should look at some plans. Good idea.
Oh, you know what? We gotta go back. Hey, we're gonna have to go back to that last spot.
He's like, well, start for pointing.
So
strap it back up.
yeah, I know. Yeah, all the spots are wrong. This rock is horrible, dude. Hey, do you want me in front, or we can go start still over there? Or? Yeah. Hey, hey. Because we're gonna have to load T-posts on here, so we need the room anyways. Bro, that thing's chilling, bro. Mazda's fine.
Parallel park it.
Come on.
You look like you went past it.
No, you're good.
Do you want the other plow on?
¿Qué hora es?
Hora.
¿Qué hora? ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es?
Yeah.
¿Qué hora es? Alright, so we're gonna offload these trailers here. Another badass spot. That trench took some brain thinking today. Yeah, so we're gonna offload those trailers over there, and then we are out of here, man. Almost a conclusion to day 3, baby. Day 3. Come on, bruh. Some good days though, some really good days. We're gonna get this done here, and then we're out of here, baby. No, I wouldn't post that, bro. All right, so we're grabbing a couple waters from the boss man, and we are out of here. So you know what that means. I'll see y'all at the yard. All right, back in the yard. I'm just gonna be checking out here basically, man. Not finna lie, my feet feeling it a little bit today. Honestly, this has been so fun doing this so far. Hey man, you know what it is. We digging, we mining for gold, we doing all of the above, okay? Erosion control. Come on now. Back at the yard, ready to go home. I'm hungry, man. I'm starving today. I had my sandwich early. I'm starving. And day 3, down in the ground. Come on now. Man, it feels good when you get all that long progress, right? I love it. I love the long progress. That's one of the main things I love this job. Not only that, you're constantly pushing yourself every single day to be better. And what did I ask for this morning? I asked God for a chance to get better. So I'm gonna take my chance. and I need to take my chances more and more and more. Yeah, so, all right, well, day 3 down, guys. Bang! All right, part 3 down, you guys. Hey, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the support from you guys. Really means more than you know. To get this 4-part series done so we can start getting some kind of like, not just like one whole project, but kind of just random videos here and there of like really cool stuff that I've been working on. Part 4 coming up. Can't wait for it to get out next week for you guys. If you're looking for more content from me, please do not shy away from checking out my short. Really appreciate it, man. The shorts have been awesome, super fun to make too. And like I've been saying from the start, guys, part 4 has a huge surprise, huge surprise. It is awesome. There is some crazy views. There's some crazy work. I can't wait for it to get out. Honestly, guys, I've been nipping at the bit to put this thing out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It would really mean the world to me. Like I said, really appreciate all the support I've been getting so far. But until next time, go get to work.